Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how you can connect and use Access database with your Visual Basic Windows Form application project. And I have also shown you how you can bind your database with this data grid view and how you can generate these text boxes and check boxes along with these tool widgets, right? Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually add buttons for saving the data and adding the data and removing your data from the table. So let's get started. I will go to my toolbox and in here I will choose three buttons, one, two, three, and I will change their name. First button, select the button and change the text of this button as add new. Second button text as save, and third button text as delete. Okay, so now we have three buttons, and now what we can do is we can double click these buttons and write the code. But first of all, you may have noticed when you have connected your form with your Access database by dragging and dropping this data, employee data, or whatever database you have to your form, it will generate these tools here, which are data set, whatever database you have, dot data set, employee data binding source, employee data table adapter manager, and binding navigator. Okay, so just remember these names. We are going to use these names here. And first of all, we will use this add new button, and we will just double click this button, and in here we will write the code. So we will write, in case of whatever your database name is, just write the name of your database. So my database name is employee database, and just search for whatever binding source of that database. So you will be able to find, in my case, employee data binding source, whatever your database name is, but and after that binding source, you need to search, or you need to just look here whatever is the binding source before your database name. Okay, so data employee data binding source dot add new. Okay, once again go to the save button and double click it, and in here you need to write, first of all we will add a try catch block. So just write, sorry, okay, so we will write try and press enter. It will give us this try catch code, and what this try catch does is, if any error occurs while you save your data, it will catch the exception and show you some message, whatever message you want to show. Otherwise it will save the data. So in case of error condition, this try catch code helps. Okay, now inside this try catch code, what you can do is you can write employee data, which is my employee data base name dot data source. So just search for the binding source dot and add it. Okay, and then in the next line you need to write once again employee data and search for the table adapter. Okay, so employee data table adapter, right, dot update. So just write update, and in the brackets you need to write the data set whatever you have. In my case, my data set name is employee info data set. Just write employee info data set dot the database name. So my database name is employee data. Okay, so just write this. And in the case of success, you can even show the message. So you can write message dot show, and you can give some message here. I will give some message like data saved. Okay, so there should be message box. Okay, and now we have message. Now in the case of remove data, or in the case of any error, what you can do is you can show the error. So just after this catch code, and before this and try block, you need just copy and paste this message dot show message, and you can say error occurred while saving data. Okay, and now we'll just once again go to my window, and I will select delete button and double click it, and in here once again I will write employee employee data binding source dot remove current. Okay, so just remember you need to write this. And now when I will run my code, hopefully I will be able to add new data and save it and delete it also. So let's try to add the data. I will click add a new, and it goes to the last line, and I will add a new data, for example employee 14, some name, some surname, date of birth. I will select from here, for example, and country, and phone number, and pay, so $30 per hour. And then I will click the save button, and you see data saved. You will see this message, and you click OK, and this 14th employee is added to your list. Now for example you want to delete this, you just select this and say delete, and it's deleted from your data, right? So from this button you can add new data, and you can give new data here, and whenever you click save, it will save your data, and whenever you want to delete, it will delete your data. Okay, so in this way you can add buttons to add data, save data, and delete your data using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.